Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix incorrect password in DeepL. So actually guys, first we'll need to just double check what you're typing. So before anything else, just make sure that the caps lock are off. Alright, so let's say they are on, just go ahead and turn them off. And also you'll need to check for extra spaces before and after your password, and also ensure the keyboard language is correct, like ASRC versus QWERTY can cause mistakes, of course. Okay, so this alone fixes a surprising number of cases. Okay, so actually guys, at the second you will need to reset your password if the double checking doesn't work. Okay, so if you're unsure, just go ahead and go to the DeepL login page, so this one, and then go and click on forgot password. It's under the login tab. Okay, so just tap it, and right here you will need to enter your email, and then just open the reset link from your email and create a new password. So use a simple and memorable password first so you can change it later. Okay, and if you're using DeepL on your browser, you can just go and check for the saved passwords. Okay, so that's important, and it may be using an old password, for example. So just go ahead and delete the saved password and type it manually again. All right, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.